While nothing would probably top the write-offs of loans as he had done some years ago, Prime Minister Barrow did announce a write-off of sorts as it pertains to members of the public who owe the KHMH for medical services rendered. Prime Minister Barrow explained how this write-off will be justified.
GOB does not simply want to hand over the monies for the salary increase as a gift. We will therefore treat it as a buyout of the debt owed by the consumers, the Belizean public, to the KHMH. As of your year-end 2014, that total in unpaid bills owed to the KHMH by the public amounted to around $9 million. Of course, in trading off these bills, in forgiving these bills now, we won't be giving KHMH back dollar for dollar. We will, though, pay them enough to do two things. The first is to fund the salary increase, which is expected to cost about $2 million. And the second is to assist with the residual costs for the new state-of-the-art pediatric intensive care, neonatal intensive care unit. That is to be opened next month. The figure for this should not exceed more than another $1 million, since the bulk of the equipment and construction monies has already been provided by the fundraising efforts headed by my wife. This write-off to the public of $9 million in their unpaid KHMH bills, which the collection agency hired by the KHMH will now no longer be hounding anyone for, is this year's Independence Day gift to the people from the government of Belize.
The total write-off totals to almost $11 million, with $9 million attached to the Carl Huschner Memorial Hospital and the additional $2 million attached to the write-off monies owed by the public at the other government health facilities around the country.